Typically, I do not see small travel trailers equipped like this. Welcome to HBRV Lifestyle. They call me the Honey Badger because I give it to you straight and transparent about the RV business. This is the Winnebago Voyage 2427. This is as loaded as you can get it. It is equipped differently than how most dealerships would bring it in from the factory. It is less than 30 feet in total length, and it is half-ton towable. Now, if this is the first time you have seen my channel, I do about an 8 to 10 minute walkthrough of the entire travel trailer and talk about it without any sound effects, special effects, or weird editing. So let's get started. Okay, so you have your power tongue jack. It comes with two 5-gallon propane tanks, an area for two group of 24 12-volt batteries, spare tires mounted to the tongue. If you come over here to the weight sticker, it is GVWR of 10,400 pounds. It is sitting on two 5,200-pound axles. Now, if you look over here, it actually has a partial pass-through. This is in the way because it's the docking station, but if you look on the other side, which we'll get to a little bit later, there is a ton of storage, good height and good width. You got an outside shower, battery disconnect, solar charge controller. Now, when you get what they consider a 24-footer, and that's what this is considered, you generally do not get all of the equipment that they put on this particular trailer. For example, this one is 50 amp service, which means it has two air conditioners. And for a small half-ton towable travel trailer, you generally don't see that kind of equipment on the trailer. See, as you can see, big pass-through right here, big power awning, 10-gallon hot water heater. And as we walk in, by the way, just to see some of the packages, comfort, tech passage, I don't know most of that stuff. It's all marketing stuff to me, but it is what it is. Okay, so inside it's a rear bath floor plan. You have theater seating with the extension for eating, so you have, instead of having to bring out foldable trays, you already have one right here. Fireplace, television, both directly across from the theater seating. Coming over here into the kitchen, we got a 3-burner stove, decent size oven. Now, I like the counter space. The counter space is good enough for a small trailer to do pots, pans. It's deep enough as well. So it's not like these skinny little counters you're starting to see with a lot of manufacturers. This is nice and wide. You feel like you have prep space as well as an area to put your dirty dishes. Now, as we go along here and check out all the little cabinetry, almost every single manufacturer builds this particular travel trailer. Now, the company I am filming this for is called KARV. They have it on sale at their dealership, used, because it's a 2022, for $29,900 plus tax and license. So if you're interested, I will put their contact information in the description box of the video. By the way, if you enjoy these type of walkthroughs, please make sure you hit the like button and subscribe to the channel. You also have some good drawer space. Some owner didn't clean it out all the way. This is normal in a used unit. I'm always finding stuff like forks and plastic, sewer hoses, all kinds of stuff. So very normal. Double door propane electric refrigerator. Again, something you do not see in a small trailer. You just don't normally see it. Normally, it's either a small 12 volt or a single 8 cubic foot propane electric. So to see the double door propane electric is a rarity. Pardon me. Okay, coming over here, you got your bathroom. So the rear bath gives you plenty of storage space for linens, your sheets, blankets. You got good drawer space for everything from toilet paper, obviously, to toothbrushes, toothpaste, things of that nature. Good storage and access to your plumbing. And then you have a nice deep shower. Now it's not as wide this way or as long, but it's deep. See, so it's one of those deeper showers. So everyone does it kind of differently. This is how Winnebago decided to do it on their travel trailer. Coming over here into the bedroom, you got a king size bed, TV, your second AC right here, and then you have nice closet space. Good storage for all of your clothes. Now, if you would like to support the channel financially, if you'd like to make a donation, super chat, super thanks are welcome. Also, we have a GoFundMe page. The link is in the description box below, as well as the link to the merchandise store. If you want to get your Honey Badger hats, your HBRV lifestyle shirts, you can purchase them there. It all goes back into the channel. Nothing more, nothing less. Everything gets put back into equipment, travel expenses, things of that nature. So it's a nice trip. Now, if you have any questions or if you want me to put you in contact with the folks that are selling this used Winnebago, you can send me an email or send me a message through Instagram, Facebook. All that contact information is in the description box below. And in the top right-hand corner of this video, you're going to see another really cool couples coach that actually shocked me.